Welcome back to the King's Corner. So the Viking is doing great. And I did wonder if I could print flexible, as I have a pretty long Bowden tube. This is about 700 millimeter. So I had to try. This is some Prima Select Flex 175. And it's laying down great. This is 30 millimeter a second. So, for those which wonder if it could print flex, I guess it can. This is not the most flexible material. It's a D45 shore value, similar to like A95 or something. So it's pretty hard. So I have to try more flexibles when I get hold of them, but it works. Just a small little toy for a dog. So yeah, have a nice day.